Students, today we will start the chapter that is the natural phenomenon. See, first, natural phenomenon means there's different types of the natural activities or different types of the natural materials which we are seeing at our surroundings. We will judge them scientifically. That is the natural phenomenon. In your syllabus, the first natural phenomenon that is the lightning. What is called the lightning? Sometimes in the cloud we see the thunderstorm. In class 7 you have studied about the thunderstorm. What happens in the cloud? The cloud is the presence, or we can say it is the accumulation of small droplets of water. So when two water droplet, by the gathering two water droplet, when they rub with each other, during the rubbing of two water droplets, at that time the charges are produced by the gathering of the charges. That means two water droplets, when they rub with each other, these two water droplets, when they rub with each other in the cloud, at that time the charges are formed, and by gathering of the charges, that ejects as the lightning. So lightning is actually which? The gathering of the charges which has formed in the cloud, that is called the lightning. Now by the rubbing, the charges are formed. The positive and the negative charges. The positive or negative charges that happens during the lightning, that is by the rubbing. Rubbing means that is which? When the positive charge is formed, suppose you are taking two same material, one is rubber and another is rubber. If you will rub them, both charge will be formed, that is the positive charge. Or suppose that may be the negative charge. Means when the same material is rubbed with each other, at that time the same charge happens. So that is called, that time these both material will show the repulsion activity, means they will detach from each other. And this opposite, if you will take two different materials, suppose one is glass, another is rubber. If glass and rubber, these two material, if you will rub, at that time two opposite charge will form. One will positive, another will negative. At that time they will attract each other. Just like the magnet, the same pole attraction, opposite pole, the same pole repulsion, opposite pole attraction. Similar, just like in this, the charging that forms by rubbing, the same charge that repels and the opposite charge that attracts. That is the basic material of the lightning. So where in this syllabus, what you will study? How the lightning is formed by the gathering of charges, and how the charges are formed by the rubbing, and different types of the materials, when rubbed, different types of the charges are formed. In cloud, the charges are formed by the rubbing of the water droplets. That's all.